time now if you live one little piece of class. Like how you beg buy food. Beg and buy food. Because you don't beg, you can't beg money, food and clothes. You can't beg 3 things. You already have beg money, buy food and buy clothes. I say, I help on the blood clot, dirty man. I say, then, look how Derrick Morgan come out and say my class, me, and him not beard. Your clothes supposed to frown upon you. Why me a carelessness, because all of them something I ain't no carelessness. Carelessness. Derrick, you want to go to one tub with some heavy bleach water and J's and soak from head to blood clot toe. You stink. Stop, size up. You're dirty. You're dirty. Nicki Minaj, get a look up. Nicki Minaj, I call my name. Jada kid them get a look of blood clot money. I tell you, say blood clot, Derrick Morgan. We know in the park you sleep. Cause 12 o'clock you in the blood clot park. You can't. You couldn't go book one room. Me have to book one room out tight and lie down. You know, say you want to sleep. Big man, you say you want to sleep, you want to sleep. You're not getting no rest. I know that money they done already. Me know that money they done already. I know you're not look nowhere. Yeah. Me know that money they done already. I know you're not look no blood clot. We got beard. Wash your clothes. Stop coming on the internet. Come go like you're smaddy. You know, see your curse. I are the only Batman that live no way. You see your curse. And you want to come blood clot. Those size up. You ever see me come over here in a one close studio argue with people? I change my clothes, Derrick. My bathe now, I crack up bathroom. My bathe now, I crack up bathroom and brush my teeth. Now I crack up bathroom and change my clothes. Yeah. Yeah. My bathe now, I crack up bathroom and change my clothes. So I'm fresh. Don't size up. Got beard. Got beard. Got beard. Got beard. Got beard. Your frowns. You think. Got beard. You think. Got beard. When you go in a blood clots or cars or say you stink of shit. You got beard. You're dirty. Don't size up. Got beard. Out of order. A true queen. Not go and film, so I not see the sense. No, for true. I not argue with you. No, for true, TikTok, I not argue with him. Because you're hungry and you live nowhere. You want to close at 3, 4, 5 days. You're hungry. You're dirty. You don't live nowhere. So I don't know. Me, I respond to you over and over. Will I come like me I talk to a dumb animal? Me I will response to Derrick Morgan over and over. Will I come like me I talk to one dumb animal, one dog, one rat, one cat, one puss? Because I not hear what them say good. Yeah, because what you say, I can't understand what you say. You can't sit down and class a girl. Where? Make sense? You don't make no sense? You say you a top star, boy, and you go viral and these things. And me can put my account to your account. Me know your account no make no sense. I'm never going to account. Put my TikTok balance to your TikTok balance. Make no sense. Where you want?
Fuck you want.
Are you a Christian crow?
Are you answer, junker? I be a broke pocket energy you have, you know, brother. You're full of broke pocket energy, you know. Every morning where you get your name it. Yeah, that's why you know no money, you know. That's why you know no money. You literally eat the money charge you. Your team strong. Your team strong like you are what? Your team strong like you are what?
My team strong.
Your team strong.
Your team strong?
You know, see me Muslim, you know, see
No,
flesh.
I mean, I thought the center of your arm. If your team strong, like the center of your arm.
If I'm the representative for my team, I see
With the
muscle,
arm.
I see flesh. We're not more strong.
I got see if you're 100 people, I got beat my 900 people come. I have a time for weeks.
Because you don't know with me that this can multiply at any time. And all of them people
and stop the stop with the laughing emoji.
No fun off your Anna for me. You think me your size? You're bigger than me, you know. You think me your size? You think me your size, Rose? Your neck, you look like you have 3 neck. You know I love you still. Me kiss your neck them anytime you're ready in a row.
You know why you kiss my 3 neck them?
Come kiss your 3 neck them, babe.
You know why you kiss my 3 neck them, honey?
Kiss your 3 neck them.
You know why you kiss my 3 neck them?
More. Yes, sir?
You brush teeth?
What do you mean? I don't must brush my teeth. It's the fucking night arm shift thing up on the thing. That's why the screen looking yellow and my white teeth gonna reflect the yellowness. You brushed your teeth?
I want you to your background.
Man, you want goddamn business. You're so fucking enough. Oh, it's enough. Focus on your shit, bro. Don't focus on my thing. Focus on your shit. Don't focus on my... Yo, 3 of them. 3 of them we need. Or 4. 4 of them we need for catch it. Times 3. You just focus on my thing. So, Rose, I know you want me, you know. Rose, I know you want me, you know. You just not talking. I mean, every woman
like
wants me. Where you talk? Dummy.
That song the way you sing it in my ear. Triple chat.
Go on, Rose.
That song go. Sing that song with me ear.
Easy. You sound like you're goggle beer.
Yeah.
Turn me on and you do that, you know, Rose. Stop
no, goggling, my goggling. Sing that song with me or you goggle. Guys, is a triple now?
Triple. Everybody
guys,
drop.
Jump on the triple.
See ya. Drop.
Come on and chat.
MPM. See ya. Drop.
You got the money gone?
Everybody drop. Watch your Rose. You know, see, say your team broke. You fuck. Oh my fucking... Shit, look at that. Rose, you just a nyam the money every time you get it, so. Might as well the people them come over here so come give me money, you know. Cause see, me run diet and them thing there, you know. Me know if you save. Me know if you save. The people are not getting no more money, Rose. You're broke. You want me to send some money to you through Western Union? You're looking hungry, Rosealee. You want it? You want me to send you some money to buy food? I don't want you to dead for hungry, you know. I don't want to hear on the glean that Rosealee die of hunger. It would have said I would have feel it. Would have feel it in a Rose. You know why? Because I'm offer you the help and you never take it. Rose, just take the little help. How much money you want me to send you through? You want $1 million?